What's up guys, this is Amit and today we are unboxing the brand new UE Boom 2. So there's the box and I went with the blue option. It's officially called the Brainfreeze Blue, but it's basically a combination of dark blue with light blue accents. Just get straight into it, see what we get inside the box. Right, so straight away is the speaker itself with very big volume buttons. I love this design, and I can see there's a compartment there. So there's the charging cable, the micro USB charging cable. Also get some documentation which nobody really ever reads. So that's all you get in the box. Let's now look at the speaker itself. As you can see, it's a very nice size. It fits perfectly in your palm. And on the top here, you get the power on off, and right next to it, you get the Bluetooth pairing button. On the sides, you have the big volume buttons, which you can't miss even if you wanted to. And at the bottom, you have this little plastic hook, and you can attach a strap to it if you wanted to hang it off something. Then, if we lift this flap up, you get this micro USB charging port, and on the other end you have a 3.5mm headset jack, so you can physically stream music if your device doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities. So guys, that's a short overview of the speaker. Let's turn it on and play some music. So guys, that was a quick unboxing video of my UE Boom 2. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this content, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you soon.